after 5:30 p.m.
Okay.
even in the campus, even inside the campus.
There's no environment of ragging and all. So
कितने कैंपसेस हैं आपके सीएयू इम्फाल मेजर मेन और दूसरे सब कैंपसेस कितने व्हाट इज द फी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर यूनिवर्सिटी विच
facilities are also very good.
हाउ सेफ इज योर कैंपस
Classes are regular and all the practical and theories are also regular.
Everyone is so friendly, that's why.
बेसिकली इम्फाल में खाना कैसा मिलेगा तो डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट नमस्कार साथियों स्वागत है आपका आई रहे वाला यूट्यूब चैनल पर अगर आप सीएयू जिसको सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी इम्फाल में अगर आप एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं या आपको चॉइस फिलिंग के ड्यूरेशन में ये ऑलरेडी अलॉट हो चुकी है तो कुछ चीज़ें आपके लिए जानना ज़रूरी है जैसे कि क्या फ़ीस स्ट्रक्चर है स्टूडेंट टीचर क्या इंटरेक्शंस है हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ कैसी है अगर आप नॉर्थ इंडिया साउथ इंडिया से अगर नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न में ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो आपके लिए किन चीज़ों का जानना ज़रूरी है आज हमारे छोटे भाइयों और छोटे बहनों से अपन चीज़ों का पता करेंगे ये सीएयू इम्फाल में अभी बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर और डिफरेंट डिसिप्लिन्स में है तो उनसे जानेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले आप अपना नाम बता दीजिए
मेरा नाम गिरीश है।
थोड़ा सा इधर
हाँ, मेरा नाम खोरापम गिरीश है। हम मणिपुर से है।
ओके
I'm currently studying in Meghalaya.
मेघालय व्हाट डू यू
My name is Pangai. I'm currently pursuing BSc Agriculture in College of Agriculture Pasikat under CAU Imphal.
आप
मेरा नाम बिंद्रू है और मैं मिजोरम में पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ बीएससी हॉर्टिकल्चर थर्ड ईयर.
My name is Larry Mfeli. Basically, I'm from Mizoram, but I'm studying Imphal BSc Agriculture.
सो बेसिकली आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन किस किस के थ्रू होता है लाइक बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर में आपने एडमिशन अपने स्टेट एंट्रेंस के लिए थ्रू लिया या आईसीआर के थ्रू
Yeah,
लिया
like we used to go. I think we used to go in two way. Like for entering this CAU Imphal, we have state exam. One state exam and another is ICR exam.
ओके सो हाउ मेनी सीट्स आर देयर इन बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर एवरी ईयर
So, like what do you say? There is not like constant no. Constant one नहीं है लेकिन
अराउंड
It-
लगभग कितनी सीट्स हैं
like it varies from college to college.
ओके सो कितने कैंपसेस हैं आपके सीएयू इम्फाल मेजर मेन और दूसरे सब कैंपसेस कितने हैं
13,
13
13 no?
13
13.
colleges.
13 कॉलेजेस हैं
हैं।
ओके सो टोटल अराउंड ऑन एन एवरेज कितनी सीटें हैं लगभग पूरी रफ बेसिस पे
It also depends on seat uptakes of the different states. That is usually for Nagaland it's three seats uptake per every year. So it depends on like states also. So
Okay.
for Manipur it's like more than 3 and for Arunachal it's more than 3. So like it varies from state to state also.
Okay,
seat
it
uptake.
basically varies from state to state. So, basically, what is the fee structure of your university which you are studying right now?
Okay, for us, like it's 8,740.
Per semester?
Yeah, per semester.
Okay, including hostel fees
Yeah,
or excluding?
including hostel fees.
Okay, including hostel fees. So, how is your hostel facilities there? Like accommodation facilities there? Are you staying in like sharing basis?
No, for us, like third years, we don't have to share, but the first years and second years, they have to share,
need to share.
yeah, single room.
So, how is like hostel facilities? How is the hygiene? How is the proper maintenance of those buildings and all?
As like we are in a new college, so our hostel is also new, so our facilities are also very good.
Okay. Basically, if a person is like from your state or from another state, how is student-teacher interaction in that particular university which you are having education right now?
Like for admission and all.
Admission and all. Like if a person is from BSc Agriculture and he wants to know what is the interaction and relationship between a teacher and student, how they interact and how strict is that?
Uh, like the student teacher interaction, it's quite friendly.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not that strict at all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's easy for us to communicate with teachers.
Okay, so basically, how is theory and practical ongoing portions? Like, they conduct on a regular interval, or like sometimes there is not proper classes on time?
No, the classes are regular and all the practical and theories are also regular. Yeah,
Okay, all things are regular.
yeah.
Okay, so how strict is that, or it is not strict that much?
Depends on teacher to teacher, yeah, and student to student, yeah.
Okay, basically, it always depends. So, do you also have a rule of 75% attendance,
Yes.
and you have to follow it strictly?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so that is nice. And apart from that, also like from the girls' perspective, how safe is your campus?
For Manipur, it's so conservative. We're not allowed to go out after 5:30 p.m.
Okay,
Even in the campus, even inside the campus.
inside the campus, you're not
Yeah, we're
also
not
allowed.
allowed. Yeah,
Oh, it's so
but
conservative.
but for boys though, they can go out.
So, do you feel safe in your campus?
Yes,
Okay,
of course.
okay. So it is like bit restrictive, but safe for the girls also. And how is the sports facilities? As you also came to 22nd All India Agriculture Sports Meet, so how do
Yeah,
you rate it?
it's good here. It's good in Imphal only because we used to have intercollation, interclass every year, and it's conducted so good.
Okay. So when we talk about Manipur and northeastern people, they have like far big like better dressing sense also, and secondly also cultural sense also, like cultural events they are participating regularly in that. So how is your cultural facilities there in your college?
It's good only.
It's good.
Yeah.
Like basically, what type of cultural activities you are participating regularly?
We usually have cultural activities during our intercollege. So every house we used to compete in our own traditional way. So every state they used to perform their own traditional dance.
Okay. So you also performing something?
Yes, sir.
What you perform?
Like here or there?
There.
Oh, yeah, yeah, of course. Like it's a kind of same only. Like we used to show our, yeah, individual traditional culture and culture.
Okay, okay. So, how do you rate senior junior relationship when you entered in your college? How helpful was your seniors?
Okay, for us, like between senior and juniors also, we are quite friendly. Like there's no environment of breaking and all, so we are good. Like
Okay,
it's very good.
chalo, like that's great. And what about the mess facilities? What about the like fooding and all?
Fooding and although it's fine only and mess fee structure, no? Fee structure. Fee structure though we have to pay in monthly basis by student itself. And I think most of the campus I think it's running by the student only.
Okay, it's cooperative basically.
Yeah, not by the teachers any faculties. So food, for food and all we used to adjust. Like there are many people from like different state, like from north, from south, northeast, many are there. No?
Okay.
So we used to adjust. Like especially northeast, we used to eat this one rice mainly, and north people they wants to eat roti and all.
Okay.
Yeah, those things also we adjust here.
Okay, so it is basically take an interest from all the students which are having their presence, so that like not only your states are getting dominated. That is not the case, right?
It's not like that there.
Okay, so that is like good only if you're also from North India और अगर आप इस चीज़ से परेशान है कि बेसिकली इम्फाल में खाना कैसा मिलेगा तो डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट बिकॉज जहाँ कोऑपरेटिव मेस होती है वहाँ स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट पे ही खाना बनता है और स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्ट में आप अगर जैसा बोलेंगे वैसा भी खाना बनेगा एंड व्हाट अबाउट लाइक बेसिक amenities there apart from academics sports and all how is the campus greenery and like basically northeast is all full of greenery so how like the campus is
Usually, it's pretty greenery in the northeastern part of the India. So the campus are full of trees, and we have like the plantations and all also the oil palm plantations, the the fruits, the horticultural crops, the floricultures and all. So it's pretty greenery, and like apart from sports and the academic stuffs, the environment is pretty good for all over, like for different kind of students. So like it's pretty good to be in. So it's not the weather out there is pretty cool, not so hot, and warm during the summer and cool during the winter. So it's pretty good, and yeah,
so
the
if a
weather.
person is coming from North India have you seen like them struggling or they acclimatize accordingly very better
To be honest, apart from the fooding habits, they used to survive pretty well, especially with the north.
huh, because they enjoy too much they went on like they go on different places and they post stories we also seen that they are enjoying their moments there one
Yes,
of my
yes,
friends
yes.
is also there
Yes, very much, very much. We are pretty. We Northeast students, like we are pretty chill out there.
Hmm.
We don't have any kind of like deep discriminations and all, and like it's pretty chill out there. We consider like each and everyone from all over the India as like friends, brothers, sisters, and it's pretty chill out there, and like yeah, it's good.
That is one thing for sure that I have also heard few students who were worried initially before going to CU Imphal and other northeastern universities, but once they are there, they feel very comfortable because they also suggest that northeastern people are so welcoming, and they like do the wonders if you are friends of them. So it is a great thing also. So, one thing which I also want to ask from you guys that I had seen much integrity than any another group of students among northeastern people. What is magic, or what is secret behind that?
Everyone is so friendly. That's why.
They are friendly. Obviously, I have also seen in my MSc University that northeastern people always used to go in a bunch only. They don't see like in a individual or somewhere.
Actually, sir, like our roots are similar only. Like we are from Northeast, so like our tradition, culture, and like the way we speak, the way we dress, it's almost same. And the
Yes.
food we eat, like
Yeah.
all those things are similar. That's why like
So many
we, yeah,
similarity.
yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many similarities. That's why we love to hang around with each other.
Yes, yes, that is amazing, guys. And I hope whatever queries which were coming to your mind initially before opting CAU, or before like you also got allocated CAU as your choices in ICR or state entrance exams also might be covered yet. And if still there is any kind of queries you are having right now, just आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं अपने इसी डिस्क्रिप्शन कमेंट बॉक्स में, और एक जो भी आपके क्वेरीज हैं हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे अपने छोटे भाई बहनों से कि you also reply to those queries if they come, like because you are more expert to that. So with this एक ग्रुप भी बनाया गया है CU इम्फाल का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं अगर आप काउंसलिंग में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। और ऐसे ही वीडियोस को देखते रहिए आयरे वाला यूट्यूब चैनल पे। अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर टू दो स्टूडेंट्स वो आर फेसिंग इन सम इश्यूज, और वो ढूंढ रहे हैं ऐसे कुछ वीडियोस जो उनको फेमिलराइज करा सके पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ को लेके। विद दिस, थैंक यू सो मच, and we also thank you for your active participation. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.